Hey everyone, so I'm going to teach you how you can customize your channel to add sections in your channel homepage, just like this one. So let's get started. You can click on this customize button, customize channel button, and you'll be going into a page like this. And as you can see, these are the sections that I've added, and there is a section add a section button here. So add a section means you'll add something like a block in your channel page. Mostly your channel is can be customized by blocks, so this is how you add a block, but YouTube calls it section, so we'll just call it a section. So when you click on the add a section button, you will see um, UI like this, and you have two drop down controls here. The first one is you can select content, and mostly I just use the single playlist, but you can add different kinds of content in your section. You can play around in this one to um, get the look you want for your channel. So in here I prefer the single playlist, and then the layout can be horizontal row or vertical list. So horizontal row is looks like this, and I prefer it to be that way, but if you want it to display as vertical list, you can also select this one. Now when you select a single playlist, you will have an option like this. Different kinds of content will mean a different kind of display at the bottom. So when I click on the single playlist, you get to have choices like this, and there's this first drop down saying choose a playlist. So you can either enter a different playlist that is public, or you can select your own playlist. I prefer to select mine, and then here I have my playlist, and let's say I would select the study again, and this is how it's going to look like in your in this section. If you wanted the vertical list, this is how it's going to look like. So let's say that let's choose vertical list and click on done. Now that's already saved. So this is how it's going to look like in your channel. Now if you want this to display at the top, you can click on this arrow button here, and it will go up or down depending on the arrows that you're going to select. So this is how you organize your section. So I want this to be at the top in here, so that's going to show at the top when I go back to my channel page. Now let's say that I don't want this study section anymore, and I wanted to delete it. So what you're going to do is just click on this button here, and then click this one, and it's going to delete the section you've created. And let's say that I also don't want this one to display in my channel, so I can also delete this one. But that is just going to delete the section you've created in the channel. It doesn't mean that it's going to delete the playlist. Just so you guys know. And so I also wanted to talk about this one, this featured video. I believe that when you click on the customize channel button, you will have that featured video option at the top here. For this one, I've already have my featured videos set up, but on how to set it up, Also, you just click on that edit button and then click on edit here. So something, okay. So you can select the videos that you've uploaded and anything that you would want to display as the featured video, you just select it and then click on save. Now this featured video is for the returning subscribers. You can also set the featured video for new visitors, the ones who have not yet subscribed to your channel. So you click on this one and you can set up a different video for that one. So for new visitors, I would like them to see this video. For returning subscribers, I like them to see this video. So that one is already set up and done. You just have to review your channel if that's everything is all right with you. And then on how you can view it, you will just click on you just go back to your channel page. Let's see. So here you can see that it's now displayed just how I've set it up previously. So the study video is now displayed as a vertical list, and then all the other videos, the pet playlist and the other study playlist has been removed. And this is how it will look like for your featured video. So that's mostly it for this tutorial on how you can customize your YouTube channel. I hope that has helped you guys, and if you like this video, please hit like and also subscribe so that you will get notified for any tutorial that I'll upload soon. Thank you. Bye.